Good day, everybody. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about common mistakes made in IELTS listening exam. So we have divided them into several, to be precise, 7 groups. They are instruction-related, words with similar or the same pronunciation, spelling mistakes, grammar-related mistakes, tricked, listening-based, and time-related mistakes. So starting with instruction-related, instructions are the sentences that are given in the beginning of the test, like 1 word only, 2 words only, no more than 3 words, something like this. First of all, I want to mention that hyphenated words are considered to be 1 word. For example, the word state-of-the-art, we have here hyphens, as you see. This is not considered to be 4 words. This is 1 word, state-of-the-art. And or, like, in the examination, we have 1 word and a number. That means you can write 2 people, 1 word and a number. But sometimes we are given just or, 1 word or a number. That means you can write either a number or a word. If you are given the instruction like 1 word or a number, you can't have this type of answer like 2 people, because this is the right answer for the instruction 1 word and a number. So be very careful with and or, because sometimes you are given both, sometimes just 1. Words with similar or the same pronunciation. For example, the word break and the word break. These 2 words are pronounced in the same way, but the meaning and the spelling is totally different. If the context is about cars, then the word break that we use should be the second one. If this is about the fragile objects, then the word that we use, or breaking one's heart, the word that we use is the former one. What I mean, while doing this exercises, we have to pay attention to the context, to be precise about the words. Spelling mistakes. Most of the time we hear what they say, but we have spelling mistakes. That's why I would recommend to write down the words or to learn the written form of the words properly. Grammar-related mistakes. If the sentence is grammatically incorrect, so the answer is incorrect. Grammar is not important only in listening and writing. That is also quite important in like 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Because if the answer is a car, but you have written the full form, plural form, like cars, or the answer is car, but you have written a car, like 2 words, still that's going to be a mistake. Tricked. The examiner likes tricking. So sometimes the speakers change their minds 2 or 3 times during the recording. Most of the students wait for the final answer and then they write the answer. I would just recommend to go step by step, because sometimes it's hard to remember all the changes and then come to the final point, because in most of the cases they do not mention the final point. They say as the previous one said or something like this. So going step by step, changing simultaneously with them is better. Listening based. The ones that we talked about today were beyond the listening. Like, you have perfect listening, you hear what they say, what the speaker says, and then you have some mistakes that prevent you from getting the highest score. But students with poor listening, poor level of listening, should firstly focus on improving their listening skills and then come to the other points. And we'll be talking about time-related mistakes. Students have kind of difficulties in timing because they can't divide their time properly. We have seen the difficulties, especially in section 4, having MCQs. There are multiple choice questions. They don't have enough time to read all the questions and then write the answer. I would recommend to appreciate the time that you have between the sections for reading the upcoming questions, and at the same time to focus on the recording, not the question paper, because if you remember the recording, you can later on guess and write the right answers. But if you do not remember the recording, then you have to kind of guess, and it's not the way to get the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.
Video lessons are supported by Jannford Baku English Language Center. In order to get more information, you can visit the link below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching.